Hi, welcome to Vishwameditech School Labs. Vishwameditech School Labs since 13 years. We are associated with more than 7,000 schools across 9 states in India. We also deployed 20,000 academic lab kits in government schools of AP, Telangana, Maharashtra and as well as Jammu and Kashmir also. Our core strengths being in academic labs, with our great research, we come up with a compact math kit, Fact Finders Ganita Mitra. This Ganita Mitra kit is going to cover all math concepts of primary class. Here is the compact kit of Ganita Mitra. Now the teacher manual is available in English, Telugu and 7 other Indian languages also. Now our Vishwameditech subject matter expertise will take you through a brief explanation of our Ganita Mitra kit.
Hi all, this is Karthik. So here is the manual that Ganita Mitra. This Ganita Mitra manual consists of 20 clusters. So this is the teacher manual. It gives you detailed information on how to use each cluster to explain the students in the class. Now let me give you brief explanation about each cluster. And here is the cluster called geoboard. So with the help of geoboard, we can represent the shapes like squares, rectangles, triangles and irregular shapes. And with the help of this particular geoboard, we can explain the concepts like area and perimeter. Here is the rectangle. So I can easily find out that what is the area of this rectangle without applying any formula here. So if I applying also, I will get the value of particular area of this particular shape. So first of all, we need to find out what is the length of this particular rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the length. I come to the here. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the breadth. If I applying the formula L into B, so length is 4 and breadth is 3. 3 units. So 4 into 3, 12 square units is the area of this particular rectangle. But whereas with my geoboard, without help of any formula, directly I can show them what is the area of this particular rectangle. So simply you just count all the squares here. So directly I can count. So how many square boxes are there? Those square boxes is nothing but the area of this particular rectangle. So suppose here I can directly count it like 1. So here it is the 1 square box. I can make it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 12 is nothing but the area of this particular rectangle. This 12 square units is the area of this particular given rectangle. Here again I am having a full protractor which is having 360 degrees here. So with the help of this 360 degree protractor, you can show them the acute angles, obtuse angles as well as the straight angle, reflection angles and complete angles. All these angles concepts we can show them with the help of this complete protractor. So this is the balance cluster. So with the help of this one, basically we will explain about the weighing concept as well as the volumes also. Suppose for example, if I am taking, or I can say that I am putting a question in front of you kids, that suppose if I am taking 500 grams of cotton, means we will get such quantity of the cotton, and in another jar I am taking 500 grams of iron I am taking. So now I will ask you that which is having more weight. So easily I can show them that so both are having same weight as per the volume. So cotton is having more occupied space. So in a space wise, cotton is having more and iron is less, but the weight wise the both are same. In such concepts we can explain them with the help of this particular balance. So here is the cluster called 3D solid shapes. With the help of these 3D solid shapes, so we can show them which is the one cube or cuboid, a square pyramid or a cone or a cylinder kind of things. We can show them with the help of this particular cluster. And with the help of this one, so more and more concepts we can teach them. First thing, so if I draw a cube or cuboid, visually I cannot show them all the faces at a time. But whereas if I am providing this particular cube to the kid having completely hands-on experience with 6 faces, how faces are here. So about this particular cube. So the cube having how many faces are there, how many vertices are there, how many edges are there. Easily he can count and he can write the answers. And moreover, with the help of these particular 3D shapes, we can explain them volumes concept. For example, the kid is having a formula of cylinder pi r square h, and whereas coming to the cone is having the formula of 1/3 pi r square h. So what is the relation between them? So when it is possible, at the time you just give these particular two manipulatives to the kids or students, so easily he can do the activity with the help of these particular 3D solid shapes. Like suppose if I am taking 3 times of water with the cone, if I am pouring inside of the cylinder, then only it fills. That means this is the 1/3 part of the cylinder. The relation between them is how we need to check it. So here is the basis. The first thing, the two bases we need to observe it. Both the radius should be same and both the manipulatives height should be same. Then only the relation between cylinder and cone is 1 and 1/3 relation. This is the way we can give n number of examples with the help of rest of the 3D solid shapes. Like this, we are having a money cluster, so which is having a set of money here. So along with the coins, to explain the concepts of money concepts like conversions kind of things, we can explain them with the help of this money cluster. And here is the number beads. So with the help of this number beads, so repeated addition concepts we can explain them. Even number line concepts also we can explain them with the help of this particular number beads. And so pattern molds. So with the help of this particular patterns, so we can show them or we can mold them into 3D shapes. And cluster is the base 10 blocks, so which consists of, here it is the 100 units and tens rod to represent tens place, as well as a plate to represent the hundreds and a cube to represent thousands place. So this will help you that for the concepts of additions, subtraction, multiplications, as well as the place values. So here is the cluster place value strips. This will help you for the students, especially for the place values, to represent the place values whether in the international numeric system as well as the Indian numeric system. And one more cluster we are having is the fraction strips, so which helps you that to explain the concepts of fractions, which is in decimals, as well as the comparison of fractions and equal fraction kind of concepts we can teach them with the help of this particular cluster. The square counters. This is the one cluster explains the basic introduction about the numbers and even addition concepts, as well as the fraction parts in the circles as well as the squares. So these are the concepts we can explain them with the help of our particular Ganita Mitra kit.
Hi everyone, hope you have enjoyed our brief explanation of Ganita Mitra kit. Here, teacher manual is specifically provided for easy understanding, and it is a completely a self-explanatory kind of a thing for teachers. We can also provide an opportunity of online training platform of particular slots for your better convenience of the teachers. We are offering a very attractive price for this Ganita Mitra kit, and this is just 50% of the market price, that is just 7,000 rupees plus GST, which we are offering for you. Please give us a call or SMS for more details of this product, where our executive will come and explain in this regard. Thank you very much.